keep them moving up the ramp. Watch the far side, don't let them stray. Next truck is ready, fill the container.
Move it, keep the line going.
We need more hands on the south side.
Watch the gate, don't let any escape. Keep them moving towards Sector 4.
Okay, watch out, we got a jumper by the ramp.
Get those crates secured before the next batch arrives.
All right, everyone, keep them moving towards Sector Gamma.
Watch out for the new machinery. Make sure they stay on the green path.
Keep the flow moving smoothly towards the main hall.
Copy that. Make sure the groups stay separated by designation.
Keep them moving to Section C, everyone.
Watch the left flank. Make sure the groups merge smoothly.
Keep the flow moving smoothly towards the main hall.
Copy that. Make sure the groups stay separated by designation.
Keep them moving to Section C, everyone.
Watch the left flank. Make sure the groups merge smoothly.
Scan complete on Subject 7B. Vitals look good.
Confirmed. Move to the next group.
Platform 3, this subject is clear for release.
Acknowledged. Sending the next group now.
All vitals are stable here.
Scan complete on Subject 7B. Vitals look good.
Confirmed. Move to the next group.
Platform 3, this subject is clear for release.
Acknowledged. Sending the next group now.
All vitals are stable here.
We need more towels over here at Station 12.
Bringing a fresh batch now. How are the little ones doing?
They are almost ready for grooming.
Okay, this one is almost dry. Send the next one down the line.
Roger that. Make sure Station 3 is ready for transfer.
Looks like everything is running smoothly on the east wing.
Yeah, these new feeders are way better than the old models.
Maintain synchronization across all feeding stations.
Copy that. Adjusting the flow rate on Module 7.
The processing rate is holding steady at 98% efficiency.
Good. We should exceed the daily quota easily.
We are seeing perfect consistency on the filament.
Agreed. The new GEN upgrades are performing flawlessly.
All right, follow the green line straight ahead. Keep it moving, keep it moving.
All macaques proceed to the main entrance. Maintain formation on the green carpet.
The extrusion rate is optimized for the 90-gram portions. We're running at peak efficiency.
Looks good. I'll divert the next batch to line 3.
The flow rate on the tertiary line seems slightly high.
Yes, but the consistency is within the acceptable parameters according to the GEN matrix.
We are approaching the fill limit on Deg B.
Acknowledged. Slowing the transfer pump now.
Flow rate on pipeline Gamma looks stable at 200 liters per minute. Good.
Monitor the pressure in Sector 4.
We need more throughput on the slicing machines.
Acknowledged. We're maintaining optimal frying temperature here.
The slices are moving into the first vat now. Keep an eye on the oil temperature.
Looks good. The bubbling is consistent across all lines.
Everything looks optimal on the cutting line.
Good. The transfer to the oil vats is smooth. We're running at peak efficiency.
The flow rate seems consistent across all vats.
Yes, and the oil temperature is holding steady at 180. Check the viscosity on line 3.
Looks good, maintaining temperature at 90. Everything is synchronized perfectly according to the schedule.
I agree, but let's monitor the viscosity levels closely.
The flow rate looks steady at 200 kilos per hour.
Good, keep monitoring the temperature in DEG 3.
The consistency.
As you can see, the powder goes directly into the first DEG, while the paste is routed through the secondary system here.
Ensure the blend is consistent before it hits the DEG.
Confirmed. The garam masala flow rate is steady.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Pouring now.
Steady flow, watch the temperature on vat 4. Ready on the next drop. Synchronize in 3, 2, 1. Perfect timing on that last basket.
The flow rate on unit 3 is steady.
Confirmed. We have full transfer to DEG 5.
Steam levels are optimal. The basmati looks perfect.
The washing cycle is complete. Check the moisture levels before it hits the DEGs.
Looks optimized. We are ready for transfer.
Okay, pour slowly now.
Got it. That's about 10 kilos for this batch.
Perfect. Keep it steady.
Check the pressure on vat 3.
It's steady. Keep adding the salt.
We're ready for the next sack over here.
Keep the pace steady on this side.
Okay, slowing down slightly on the turn.
Make sure the spices are fully incorporated down below.
Keep it synchronized now. Left side.
And the right side. Make sure the spices are fully mixed.
Initiating temperature increase to 1000.
Reading steady at 1000 degrees. All systems green.
The temperature is stable at 1000 degrees.
Confirmed. All systems are green.
Clamps engaged. Sealing confirmed. Setting the cook cycle for 12 hours.
The clamps are secured, Chef. It's fully sealed.
Confirmed. Setting the timer for 12 hours now.
Ready for delivery.
Dispatch now. Fresh batch arrived.
Delivery completed. Delivery completed.
Here is your luxury biryani delivery. Enjoy!
Thank you. It looks wonderful.